Today on Health Yourself, we go over the health benefits of the herb and garnish, basil. For number 1, basil can help to reduce oxidative stress in the body. Basil is a part of the mint family, and this herb has so many amazing antioxidants in it. This is how it can help with the reduction of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is built up in the body due to something called free radicals. Free radicals build up in the body over time due to environmental factors and poor diet choices. They can cause an array of health issues. Basil contains a specific compound called eugenol, which can fight off free radical damage. When you combine that with the levels of other powerful compounds like anthocyanins, it makes it an easy garnish to add to your diet to rid yourself of oxidative stress. Number 2, basil can help to reduce inflammation in the body. If oxidative stress is left unchecked for too long, it can lead to inflammation. Research has indicated that basil oil contains 2 important extracts to help combat this. They are called citronellol and one we spoke about earlier called eugenol. Stopping inflammation early on is the best way to avoid developing any kind of inflammation-based diseases such as arthritis. Moving on to number 3 is that a simple herb like basil can help to increase your heart health. Our MVP of this video, eugenol, has a lot to do with this. Eugenol blocks excess calcium from building up, and this can lower blood pressure. High levels of blood pressure can lead to heart issues down the road. Studies have shown that it lowers your bad LDL cholesterol and raises the good HDL cholesterol. Both of these factors definitely impact your heart health in a positive way. Lastly, basil contains the trace mineral called magnesium. In research, magnesium has been shown to improve blood flow and allow blood vessels to relax. Hey, if you like our videos, please subscribe and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 4, basil may have positive impacts on your mental health. Basil has actually been used in traditional medicine for this purpose. There have been multiple studies shown that basil can help reduce things like anxiety and depression. Some participants of a study reported after it was concluded that they felt overall more social. You can even get basil essential oils because it is used in aromatherapy to convey feelings in reduction of nervousness and tension. People have reported that they can think more clearly as well. Finally, at number 5, did you know that basil can help to protect your stomach? Basil has natural antibacterial properties. For this reason, it can increase your stomach's natural defenses by decreasing stomach acid and increasing mucus cells. When these 2 factors are not taken care of, it can result in stomach ulcers. Many prescription medications will show side effects when taken to deal with stomach ulcers. So basil may be a better alternative, as studies have shown that they can have the same effects without the side effects. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.